In this video we have a word problem involving basic geometry. So we have an area of 52 square feet is to be enclosed by two squares whose sides are in the ratio of 2 to 3. Find the sides of the squares. So we'll let x equal to the side of square 1 and y equal to the side of square 2. So we know that the sides are in the ratio of 2 to 3, so we can say then x over y, or y over x, it doesn't really matter at this point. X over y is 2 over 3. And the two squares are going to enclose this area that has 52 square feet. Area of a square is the product of the square of the side, whatever it is. So area 1, the first square is x squared. The area of the second square is just y squared, and the total is 52. And then for this one right here, multiply both sides by y here, we get that x is equal to 2/3 y. So this gives us a system of equations. So we solve this system. It's nonlinear. The first equation represents actually a circle, if you look at that as a graph for that particular setup. So we can make a substitution here for x. X is equal to, so over here I'll say 2/3, replace the x by 2/3 y. So multiplying both sides by y, we get x equal to 2/3 y. And then we make the substitution into the first equation. So x squared, and x is 2/3 y. This would be squared here. So making the substitution here in the first equation, we get 2/3 y squared plus y squared is equal to 52. Now we have an equation involving one variable, y. So we're going to solve for y and then plug in to get the value of x. So this will give us a 4/9. So if we square this out, 4 over 9 y squared plus y squared is equal to 52. And let's combine this. We can write this coefficient of y squared here is 1. So we can rewrite that as 9 over 9 to get the same denominator, so we can add these up. So this will be 9 over 9 y squared, and a 4 over 9 gives me a 13 over 9 y squared is equal to 52. And then we multiply both sides here by the reciprocal of 13/9, which will give me 9 over 13. When I multiply this side by 9 over 13, this cancels out. So I get y squared is equal to, and then 13 into 52 is 4, and 4 times 9 is 36. Solve for y, we get y is equal to, take the square root, plus or minus the square root of 36 is plus or minus 6. But remember, we're dealing with measurements here. We can't have an answer that's negative, so we have to settle with the 6. So y is equal to 6. So now we need the x. So we can plug it into here. Put a 6 here where the y is. So 2/3 of 6 is 4. Or 2/3 of 6 is 2, I should say. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So x equals to 4. And this is going to be in feet. So the length of one of the squares is 4 feet. That's one of the sides. For the other one, 6 feet. So 4 feet and 6 feet is the solution. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.